my lunch with a couple of egg yolks, my bicycle. Oh, oops, here's my bicycle. My monkey bars, me hanging down, me squatting down, and me on my bicycle. However, the objective here is not to constantly talk about me and mine, but rather about the carnivore way of eating, the carnivore diet, and its power of healing. I started my carnivore diet more than 2 years ago, and at that time I couldn't do this. I couldn't go into a full squat and stay there for 5 to 7 minutes, which is a very important routine, and neither could I do this. A very simple and easy couple of push-ups. Pulling myself up on a monkey bar would have been an absolute impossibility. And it's not that I was lacking power to achieve any of that, but my left rotator cuff just would not let me. It was extremely painful when I was trying to exercise. Check, for example, Tour de France. There are a couple of youngsters that break their collarbone in every single one of those races. And yet a couple of weeks later you see them in the United States racing again. But if a person 65 year old and older fractures their hip bone, their chance of survival just beyond 6 months is zero. Nada, zippo, zilch. So at my age, to be in good health, I don't take any supplements, I don't take any medication. So what I'm trying to say, so not only to maintain health, but to actually heal. To heal under normal medical circumstances, just about beyond repair, where the only thing that they would advise is hip replacement, knee replacement, and so on. Within a couple of weeks of being on the carnivore diet, I could again start exercising properly. I could again start pushing iron. I could do the push-ups. I could do the pull-ups on the bars, and most of all, I had absolutely no problem handling the bicycle. As you can see, my bike is a mountain bike. That's what I prefer. I prefer to ride the rough terrain. I prefer to jar every single bone in my body because that is good for you. It's good. It's healing. But there is no ways that I could have done that without being on carnivore diet. But before that, handling the handlebars, the wrists, everything in my forearm was absolutely painful, incredibly painful. Once or a couple of weeks into the carnivore, all of that as if miraculously vanished. So whether it was the lacking the amino acids, or whether it was lacking whatever that was capable of building the cartilage, building the sinews, building whatever it was that was damaged, carnivore diets just fixed it up. It had absolutely no problem fixing it up. Every day I hop onto my bicycle and I go down to the village for a cup of coffee. Hence the lack of the professional outfit. And on the way back, I'm fortunate enough to have these 3 little uphills that completely get me out of breath by the time I get home.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Now, I did not buy these. I managed to get them for my cycling participation, and I'm chuffed with them.